Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TurboTax. First, select the TurboTax product that best fits your tax needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations involving investments or self-employment. Next, gather all your essential tax documents, such as W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any receipts for deductions. Finally, create a new TurboTax account or log in if you're a returning user to begin your tax filing journey. Once logged in, TurboTax guides you through a simple interview process. You'll answer questions about your income, deductions, and credits. Be sure to accurately enter all your personal and financial information. The software is designed to make this process straightforward, often pre-filling some data if you imported last year's return. It automatically calculates your tax liability or refund as you go, providing real-time updates. After entering all your data, it's crucial to carefully review your entire tax return. TurboTax conducts a comprehensive error check, flagging any potential issues or missing information. Take your time to ensure everything is correct, as even small errors can cause delays. Once satisfied, you can choose to electronically file your return for the fastest processing or print and mail it if you prefer a physical submission. After filing, you can easily track the status of your return directly within TurboTax. You'll receive updates on whether it has been accepted by the IRS or state tax authorities. Your filed returns are also securely stored for up to 7 years, making them accessible for future reference or amendments. If you have any questions or need assistance, TurboTax offers various support options, including online help and tax experts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.